Create a professional portfolio in Behance. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional portfolio on Behance. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, go to Behance.net and log in or create a free Adobe account if you don't already have one. Once you're in, click on the blue Share Your Work button at the top right. Now choose Project and start by uploading your best work, images, videos, or designs. You can drag and drop or upload files directly from your computer. Add text boxes to explain your project, like the title, tools used, and your creative process. You can also embed media like YouTube videos, PDFs, or audio files if needed. Organize everything neatly, keeping your layout clean and easy to read. Then choose relevant creative fields like graphic design, UI, UX, or illustration so it reaches the right audience. Add a compelling cover image that stands out in the Behance feed. Once you're done, click Publish, and your portfolio project is live for the world to see. And that's how you can build a stunning Behance portfolio. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. That's all for the video.